Hello there, I am Tigust Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here, I'll continue the next lesson 323 inserting pictures, clippers and shapes. Microsoft Word differs with that of word processing softwares, unlike that of WordPad and Notepad. In case of this software, it's possible to combine text with objects. When it's objects, pictures, clips, shapes. In case of Notepad, it is not possible to create such objects. Only creating text means letters and numbers. Word offers several tools to help you capture your reader's attention with illustrations that include pictures. Pictures can be included, shapes can be included, smart art, charts, and screenshots can be included under Microsoft Word. How can we perform these things? First is inserting pictures. Just using insert tab, possible to insert any pictures. Using insert tab, it's possible to insert offline pictures, pictures that are created using Microsoft Paint or other later softwares, pictures that are downloaded from online website, a picture that is scanned from a scanner, a picture that can be input and copied from digital devices like digital camera or mobile device, can be inserted into Microsoft Word software documents using the insert tab. It's not maybe difficult. The second is inserting screenshot. Just let me demonstrate you the first one. Start menu, WO. Word will be displayed. Then click on this software. Here. Just if you inserted picture here, insert tab. Using insert tab, pictures. Then instance we want to allocate the location. Desktop. Here I have a folder here. I'm inserting some picture here. Now this picture is inserting. It is inserted as a picture. It is not insert picture, but it is created as a picture here. If it is picture, you can insert it like this here. You can drag and drop. Diminish the size like this. Just when you unselect, the format tab will hidden. When you click here, the format will display that you can apply a frame, for instance. You can choose frame, you can change the color, for instance. The color, remove the background, you can remove the background, for instance. keep the change or you can discard. Here picture border, the borders of the picture can apply. You can wrap text also here. You can enlarge when use the shift key to enlarge the picture to keep the original size as it is. I mean the dimension. Just you can insert also the middle of any document here in the second paragraph next to the first paragraph. Insert picture. Now the same type of picture is inserted. You can diminish the size like this, holding the shift key, then you can diminish the size like this. When the mouse pointer changes, click. When the mouse pointer changes, you can drag and diminish the size of the picture. Next is inserting screenshots. Just from any window, you can capture and insert any pictures in MS Word. For instance, next to this paragraph, I want to insert a picture of desktop area. Therefore, to do this, to capture a picture of the desktop, here under Insert tab, Screenshot, Screen Clipping. Then it is ready now. Then drag using the left mouse button, drag and drop. For instance, you can include also the taskbar here. Now it is inserted. You can holding shift key. You can diminish the size. You can diminish the size like this. Finished. Screenshot is captured. Not only for the case of the desktop, you can open any window and you can capture as a screenshot. For instance, I have opened this window, then insert tab, screenshots, under insert tab, for instance next to this paragraph, insert tab, screenshots, screen clipping. For instance, you can capture the window area of this, the PowerPoint window or the window that is open previously. Control Z. You can minimize this window, ready this file explore folder window. Then opening the software Word, insert tab, screenshot, clipping. Now it is ready. You can capture, drag and drop, shift key again now. The shift key, finished. You can point again using shapes and you can prepare a plotted diagram. How can we do this? Just inserting shapes. There are variety of shapes under the insert tab in Microsoft Word. How can we insert these objects? Just here. Next to this paragraph, under insert tab, the other object shapes, different shapes here. You can choose your own text. For instance, here, holding the shift key or control key, especially holding the control key, you can duplicate like this. You can duplicate some diagram, or under insert tab, shapes, right click on the selected shape, then lock drawing mode. This helps you to draw many times as it is. Here, again and again. Here. Or you can click here, clicking. To unselect escape key on the keyboard. Now it's not possible to draw. But you can only, if you click once, you can only one opportunity to draw. Too many times, right click, lock drawing mode. Then you can draw many times that object. How can we add text? Right click on the object, add text. Rectangle, for instance, rectangle. Then under format, styles, you can choose your own color. Selecting once the object, you can change the color. Selecting, then once click on the object, you can choose your own types, your own choices. Here, like this, like this. The other method, control, holding the control key, it changes the mouse pointer like this. The plus sign is there. You can move, drag and drop. The object is duplicated. Again, drag and drop. Object is duplicated. Again, you can create here a plotted. You can plot, for instance, insert tab, shapes, then choosing arrow here, for instance. Then insert tab, text box, choose text box. Text box here. You can say title bar, for instance. Finished. Here, selecting the object to omit the shape outline, no outline, for instance. No outline. There is no rectangle here. No outline. You can prepare like this objects in Microsoft Word. The other is formatting page number. It's possible to insert a page number anywhere using software. How can we insert objects? Just here I'm in page number, insert tab. Simply choose the page number at the top of the page or bottom of the page or page margin. Mostly we choose at the bottom page. Then you can choose your own type, for instance here. Now it is inserted. Close header and footer. To increase the page, another page, break, next page. It adds additional page. From the selected, it breaks the page. You can break from the select, for instance, to move to the next page, placing the cursor here, break, next page. It is moved. Here the first page, second, the third. You can continue like this. You can create continuous pages. For today it's enough. Thank you. Motivate, support me by subscribing my channel.